So in this media, we'll discuss about ALCAP separation system. Okay, as I mentioned in my shorts about ALCAP separation system in just a gist. So here we'll discuss in detail what is this new concept of ALCAP separation system. Somewhere I have just mentioned the bullet points, so please pay attention to what I speak also. Okay, so your ALCAP separation system, it employs a new design of separator which has no gravity disk. So this is the first point that is important in your ALCAP separator system. We don't have a gravity disk. Now the second point which is very important is that maximum density limit of ALCAP separation system is 1010 kg per cubic meter. Okay, and at obviously at 15 degrees Celsius, because if you mention this density without temperature, it has got no meaning. So you have to always mention density with the temperature. A water transducer monitor. The third point is that we have here as a water transducer monitor. We'll discuss in detail later about this water transducer monitor and what are the functions of water transducer monitor. So water transducer monitor changes in the water content of clean oil. Now optimum separation is continually maintained since the separated water never enters the disc stack. So we have here the advantage based on the purifier. What is the advantage in ALCAP separation system is that water is not entering your disc stack. So that is the reason your mixing or your water going with the clean oil, the chances those are very less. No adjustment for cleaning plant is required due to fluctuation in density, viscosity, flow rate and other factor. Okay, now we'll see the working. So in working, what we are supposed to discuss is your transducer, microprocessor, water sludge and clarifier. Now see, now this your ALCAP separator system is provided with a water transducer system to monitor changes in water content in the purified clean oil line. Now when transducer senses an increase in water content in purified oil, a signal is sent to microprocessor, which in turn opens the solenoid valve to discharge water accumulated in the separator bowl space. Water and sludge are discharged. If water accumulation is more than usual, it can pass through a separate water drain valve. Okay. Here this ALCAP fuel oil purifier separator normally operates as a clarifier. So let's be very clear. It operates as a clarifier. It is not a clarifier. There is a difference. Okay, but it operates as a clarifier. Clean oil is continuously discharged from the clean oil outlet pipeline connected with it. Separation of immiscible solid and semi-solid contaminants and water takes place as the bulk of fuel is passed through stack of inclined discs. Separated sludge and water move out by centrifugal force and fills up the space at the periphery of the bowl for a limited period. The separated water moves towards the disc stack. Some water escapes with clean oil, thus increasing the water content in the clean oil pipeline when it reaches the bowl stack within 15 minutes of last discharge. The transducer will open the water drain valve for a specified period of time during which water level move towards the periphery. So this is the whole function of your ALCAP separator system. So that was a separate question by the surveyor on ALCAP separation system. So if you mention all these points and just touch the parts involved in the working, what are its functions and the working of ALCAP separator system, I am sure the surveyor will be happy. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your valuable time. All the very best for your future endeavors.